Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video on Get Droid Tips, we would like to discuss about how to fix GeForce Experience Error Code 0x0003 on your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about go over here in the start, right click and navigate to the device manager. Now from here you have to expand this. Go over here and navigate to the display adapters, expand this. Make sure that if you're on the Nvidia Geoforce with one single graphics card, select this particular graphics card and you have to right click, go for the update driver, go for search automatically for drivers, make sure the driver is up to date. That's what you have to do as the first step. If that is not working, just close this and we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about after updating the driver. Still, if you are having the trouble, we need to move to the next step. That is all about we need to allow the game or allow the GeForce to the Windows Defender. So go over here, search for the control panel, click on this one and we have to navigate to System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Go for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and you have to add the Nvidia Geoforce over here. So right now if you scroll down, you can see that the Nvidia is not added. The Nvidia app is added. Apart from Nvidia app, we don't have added anything, so we need to add it. So just click on the change setting, go to allow another app, go to the browse, navigate to local disk C. Over here we have to go to local disk C, go to this particular C, go to the program files, scroll down and navigate to Nvidia Corporation folder. Now from here we have to go to frame view disk, or you can directly go back to the installer too, not this one. You can go to this folder, container, and you can go to plugins, not this one. We have to go to the Nvidia Corporation once again, Nvidia app, go to the CEF, and here you have to have this, you have to add it. And once it is added, you have to make sure that you have to put a check on both the boxes on the private and public. Once it is added, we just need to close this and we have to go back and you need to check whether the issue is solved or not. So still, if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next one. That is all about just go over here, search for services and we have to click on this one. Now from here you can see if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the Nvidia. So keep scrolling down and navigate to the Nvidia. And right now you should be finding Nvidia display over here. If you can check Nvidia display, Nvidia framework and also Nvidia local. So these are the things. So what we need to do is we just need to right click over here, go to the restart option, and once it is restart over here, you're fine with it. Make sure it is up and running. Go for the next one, that is Nvidia frame view SDK service. Right click, go to the properties, make sure it is manual and go for start. And once it is started, you have to make sure one more thing, that just close this and we have to go back to the Nvidia over here. So it is Nvidia framework, right click on it and restart it once again and make sure it is up and running. And the last one, that is Nvidia local system container, right click and go for the same properties, make sure it is manual. If it is automatic, change this to manual and you have to go for apply. Now from here go for OK and we have to right click on the local system and go for the restart. Now it will be restarted. So once the restart is complete, what we need to do is just close this and we have to go back and you have to check. And still, if there is an issue, we need to try next step. That is all about we just need to go over here, search for the control panel over here and we have to click on this one, not the control panel. We have to go over here. We have to go over here and click on the settings, and from here what we need to do is we just need to keep scrolling down and navigate to the apps, go for the installed app. And here, if you find anything related to the Nvidia, for example, if you find Nvidia app over here, you will be able to see that Nvidia app is there. So if you are finding the Nvidia app, what we need to do is we just need to, apart from the Nvidia app, you can see the graphics card GeForce is there. So if you find the Nvidia Geoforce Experience, you have to go over here and click on the three-dot menu and we need to uninstall it. Once the Nvidia Geoforce Experience is uninstalled, you have to go back and you have to check. And you have to, if still the issue is there, what we need to do is we just need to press Windows and R key together. So I'll be getting a run command like this, and here you have to type %app %local. Over here you need to type %local app data %. That's what you have to type. Now go for OK. That will take you to this. And now from here you have to scroll down and you will be able to find the Nvidia Corporation folder. Now get into this. And if you're able to find anything related to the Nvidia Geoforce experience over here, you can just check everything over here. So over here, if you go back, you can see this. Under this one, just go to the Nvidia overlay, and over here you can see there is one folder named Kef cache, which is, as you can see, just right click on this and you have to select this first, right click and go to the trash and delete it. You can delete it. So if it's not deleting, which means you have to go over to the system tray, and you can see the Nvidia is running over here. So just exit the Nvidia. Now we just need to go back and right click and click on this one and delete it. So most probably after this it will be deleted, and still if it's not deleting, you have to check whether the Nvidia is still there or not, or go to the task manager. And if you're able to find anything related to the Nvidia over here, you should be removing it. So just search for Nvidia over here as well. You can search for the Nvidia. Right now, as you can see, the Nvidia app is running, so you have to end the task for each. You have to remove the container as well. You have to remove everything that is related to the Nvidia. Just remove everything that is related to the Nvidia over here. Even the Nvidia container, everything should be removed from here. Once everything is successfully removed and you are all removed from the Nvidia over here, including the container, everything should be removed. And once afterwards, what we need to do is you have to delete the Kef cache. That will be deleted. And once it is successfully deleted, still I'm getting the error, which means there are still many things running in the background on the Nvidia. So what I need to do is I just need to uninstall it. I mean, we have to end the task for each one at one. Last and the least step, we need to install back the Nvidia. You can install back the Nvidia. You can directly go over here, or you can directly go to the Nvidia. You can just go over here, or you can search for the Nvidia, like, which is not fine, Nvidia. You can download the app, that is also fine. You can just search for Nvidia download. You can download it from here, and you can just update it. Or if you're having the graphics card, you can update it as well. If you can also uninstall the Nvidia app, that will be working fine as well. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye.